In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dashboard in Confluence. Confluence might not have a traditional dashboard feature like Jira, but you can craft a dashboard-like page using various elements such as macros, tables, and links. This allows you to centralize important information in one easily accessible location. Let's dive into the process. To start, you'll want to log into your Confluence account. Once you're in, look towards the top navigation bar and find the option labeled Create. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Page. This action will open up a new page editor where you can start building your dashboard. Next, it's time to give your page a meaningful title. Depending on your needs, you might go with something like Team Dashboard or Project Overview. Having a clear title ensures that both you and your team members can easily recognize the page's purpose at a glance. After naming your page, we're going to organize its layout. Look for the page layouts icon, which resembles a grid located in the top toolbar. Clicking this will allow you to choose from multiple column options. It's beneficial to choose 2 or 3 columns for a well-organized visual setup. You can experiment with arranging wide columns for charts and narrower sections for quick access links, adapting the layout to best fit your specific needs. Now we move on to adding key elements to our dashboard, starting with macros. Macros are dynamic features that you can use to display live data, create lists, or showcase visuals directly on your page. To insert a macro, simply type a /# in the editor to bring up a search bar where you can look up the specific macro you need. Alternatively, you can navigate by going to Insert, then View More, followed by Macros. In addition to macros, you'll want to include quick links and shortcuts to streamline navigation for your team. Consider using button macros or simple hyperlinks to connect to frequently used resources such as Jira boards, project documentation, team calendars, and even external tools like Google Drive or Slack. These links can greatly enhance the functionality of your dashboard by making important tools and documents readily available. Once you've added all your desired components and are satisfied with how the dashboard looks and functions, it's time for the final step. Simply click the Publish button, and your dashboard will go live, ready for you and your team to use. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully created a custom dashboard in Confluence, tailored to meet your project's specific needs. Feel free to explore different combinations of macros and layouts as you become more comfortable with Confluence's capabilities. Thank you for joining me today, and happy dashboarding.